Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm Jimmy Chen. Today I want to introduce our product, our company's product, Talk to Me, to you. And before my presentation, please let me introduce myself. I am the manager of the Pareto company, not the Apple. It's very important to distinguish the two companies because our company, Pareto company's main mission is it emphasizes on technology is used to make human beings happy, not lonely. So our product, Talk to Me, is designed and produced according to the rules. And you can see our logo. Our logo is made by 3 color lines, orange, yellow, and red. And how do you think? I think it made me happy and warm. So, are you ready? That's today's presentation. Okay, I divide it into 3 parts. First, I will tell you why we designed Talk to Me. Then the second part, I will teach you how to use it and when should we use it. Finally, I will make a conclusion and then it's Q&A time. Okay. Next picture. With the technology progress and the resource, we produce change and improvements of the machine. Our traditional cell phone turned into smartphone, and it become our secretary and our friends, our teacher, even our pet. So now we already have a smartphone. So why we need Talk to Me? It is because smartphone brings some problems to human beings. The first problem is that people become unfriendly. Why? People now just concentrate on the little bus in their hands, and they just concentrate on it, and even they live in their small world, but they ignore the big world, the truly world outside them. Every time you can see many people act like a robot, just like this. Yeah, so this is the first problem smartphone brings. And the second problem is that people lose the ability to talk with others. Why? Because today we can communicate with others by sending messages with our fingers. And this let us don't know how to say a right sentence or a right word with a right attitude in a right situation, because we are too lazy to just use our finger to express ourselves. So if you made the situation like this, having a dinner with your girlfriend's parent and having an interview or presentation and so on, you must say something and you must open your mouth. You can't just communicate with others through your fingers. So we all know when should we use the Talk to Me, but the next is how to use it. It's very easy, and this is Talk to Me. You just choose the Talk to Me function and talk to it. It's okay. Okay, next. So let us see an example. This guy called Little Jimmy, and he has a dad with a beautiful girl. But by the way, he never has a girlfriend before. So let's see what happened to him. Hi. You are so beautiful. I know it. Oh, hey, look at the girl by the door. I think she's more beautiful than you. Shut up and get out of here. Why? girl doesn't like me. To be or not to be? It is a question. Talk to me, talk to me. I really want a girlfriend. Okay, calm down. First, you must put up your head when you have a conversation with others. Wow. And remember that girls doesn't like people judging books from their covers. And you should focus on her inside, not the outside. Oh, the inside and the outside. Oh, I know. And remember, you should talk about what she likes. And the point is to know her, not look at her with your strange smile. Oh, you know her and don't bring a strange smile. Okay, let us try it again. Hi, girls. Is that accounting book you are reading? Oh, yeah. How do you know it? Because I'm a big fan of the accounting. Oh, really? Me too. Maybe we can talk about the accounting. Wow, you are such a special guy. I know it. Excellent! Now, the little Jimmy has a girlfriend now. So, as you see my example, I believe the talk to me touch your heart. So, let us make a quick review. First, I explain why we design talk to me. And second, I have teach you how to use the talk to me and when should we use it. So, let me make a conclusion. To be or not to be, don't worry, talk to me. So, any question? Okay, thank you for your attention. We will see you next time. Bye bye.